12 support tickets, 1 agent, and a rule. If it cannot cite its source, it does not get to answer. The job, a support inbox, 12 tickets, refunds, invoices, password loops, an angry customer, a student asking for a discount. Some have answers in the knowledge base, some do not. The agent has to know the difference. The build is 3 code nodes in n8n, self-hosted, and 1 rule that makes this an agent instead of a hallucination hose. Your first node loads the tickets and the knowledge base. Look at what you're giving it. 9 entries. Refunds, billing, exports, SSO. Whatever you don't put in here, your agent doesn't know. That's not a bug. That's the design. Node 2. This is your agent. Watch the system prompt your typing because it's the whole trick. Answer only from the knowledge base. Cite which entry you used. Reply as structured JSON. No citation. The only legal answer is escalate. The model runs through fal, and your whole loop is 30 lines. Last node, your gate. If the citation's missing or the model tried to escalate, you route the ticket to a human. Everything else ships, and you write everything to disk. Answered, escalated summary. Always keep receipts. Now hit execute and watch the counts light up. 12 tickets in, 12 real model calls, 1 summary out. There it is, 92 seconds on the stopwatch, end to end, including the typing you just watched. The results: 9 answered, 3 escalated, 75% handled without a human. And I checked every single answer on camera. The proration reply quotes the billing policy word for word. The refund reply calculated the 14-day window correctly. 0 invented facts. But the best part is what it refused to answer. The furious customer who demanded a human escalated. The student discount we do not actually offer escalated, not invented. The feature request escalated. Every escalation was the right call. That is what the citation rule buys you. The honest part. This is 12 demo tickets against 9 knowledge entries. Your inbox is messier, and connecting a real help desk means OAuth and webhooks this video did not do. The model costs about 1/5 of a cent per ticket through fal, and an agent is only as honest as its knowledge base is current. Keep that file fresh, or the gate protects nobody. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.